To set a stunning graphical image as your lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, long tap on an empty area on your home screen, and then tap Wallpaper and Style. Tap the lock screen thumbnail. Next, tap Wallpaper. Scroll down the screen. Tap Graphical. And then select the desired graphical image you like to use. Tap the button to set the selected image as your lock screen wallpaper. Go to your lock screen. As you can see, the selected graphical image has been set as your lock screen wallpaper. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.